Welcome to the Canary Hub. To begin your journey of seamless connectivity and unparalleled comfort, tap the QR code now or find the link in the description to book your stay. Nestled in the heart of London, the Canary Hub transcends the ordinary, offering an experience meticulously crafted for the discerning traveler. Here, effortless connectivity is paramount, with complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi available throughout the entire property, ensuring you're always in touch. Whether you're catching up on emails in your room or sharing your latest adventures from our vibrant communal spaces, every detail has been carefully considered to elevate your stay, from the elegantly appointed rooms to the unparalleled service that anticipates your every need. Imagine waking in your impeccably designed room, each featuring a private balcony or terrace offering a personal sanctuary with breathtaking views. Step outside to breathe in the revitalizing air as you plan your day in the city, or simply enjoy a quiet moment of reflection. Indulge in culinary delights at our stylish cafe, or unwind in the serene lounge after a day of exploring. At the Canary Hub, we understand that true luxury lies in the seamless integration of exceptional service and uncompromising comfort. It's an invitation to experience a uniquely curated escape, where every moment is designed to delight and inspire. Don't delay. Reserve your experience now. Simply scan the QR code to book your stay at the Canary Hub.